I dropped my first wedding cake. I dropped it. To be fair, to me, it was an awkward size cake. This is what it was supposed to look like. This is what it ended up looking like. Luckily, the cake was still edible as cake, and I had my husband bring by one of my dummy cakes that looks somewhat similar. Yeah, they'll get a full refund. I feel sick. Let's talk about this cake I dropped. And you know, if you're a kind person, and I think that you are, please watch to the end, because nobody got to see this cake as intended. You guys are seeing this cake as intended. The bride wanted a gluten-free cake. It's all gluten-free, and just really nice lilacs and ivories, muted colors, not a lot of green. It was at this beautiful venue that is like a botanical garden outside of Charlotte, like near Lake Wylie. And wouldn't that have just been the perfect setting for this absolutely beautiful cake? As you can see, it is a little bit of an awkward shape, and that was our primary issue. Oh, how beautiful. And this is what happened to it. She did get a full refund from me.